In this video, I'll show you how to fix the HTTP error has occurred in Roblox. So if you're seeing this error message, usually with the error code 529, then I'm going to show you a couple ways to go and fix this. Now, the first thing you need to do is open up your start menu, go and search for settings, and then click on the settings window. In the left navigation, click on time and language, click on date and time, and make sure set time zone automatically is turned on and enabled. Make sure set time automatically is also turned on. And next to where it says sync now, click on the sync now button. Now, once you've done that, you can head back over to Roblox and you can check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, then come back over to this page and uncheck the option next to set time zone automatically. Then click on the drop down arrow and go and select your time zone from this list. Turn off set time automatically and then go and manually set both your time and date on your computer. Once you've set this accurately, click on change, and once again you can check to see if that solves your issue. If it's still not working, then you can try connecting to Roblox using a VPN. You can also use a mobile hotspot from your mobile data, and that's another way to go and solve this error message. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.